What is up, guys? In this particular video module, I'm going to share with you how to create logo, intros and outro using Canva. Now we are actually going to be using this logo, intro and outro to add to our PICTORY videos. Now before we jump into this module, I want to share with you that there are valuable links in the description. Links of all of the websites we've used, PICTORY, Canva, Specialo, are going to be found in the description of this video, so make sure you do check that out and use those links very well to get access to all of the websites we've actually used in this particular course. But then guys, let me share with you how to create logos, intros and outros using Canva. So we are right here on Canva, and the first thing we are actually going to be doing is creating a logo for our business. So I'm going to be using the AM Academy and create a logo for that. So basically I'm going to click on to create design, and I'm just going to type in logo right here, and then it's going to actually bring out all of the types of logo. I'm just going to click on to the standard logo format. So right here, once we are right here, quickly what I'm just going to do is just create a logo just by using the template we have right here. So I'm just going to do something like, probably because this is AM Academy and we are focused on teaching people how to use different software, more like a learning or educational platform, I'm just going to put in something like probably education logos right here, as you can see, and there are lots of them right here. So we could decide to go through with let's say this or this, it all depends. Let's see if we have other nice one. So probably let's see with this right here. So we could decide to use this logo, and I could do something around AM Academy right here, education, or probably just put in a more like a pledge format, knowledge is key. So as you can see, we can also go ahead and let me just change some colors. I'm gonna make this, don't even know what color to do this, probably with this, and I'm seeing the white right here. I'm going to change this to black right here. So this is just a normal logo, so I could decide to use this as our logo. Click on to share, and basically what I'm going to do is simply just download this particular logo. Now you can download it in the PNG format right here. There are lots of formats. I'm going to just leave it at that format. Click download one more time, and then we download this into our computer. Very much simple. So what I'm going to do again is go on to the home page. Now that we've created a logo, we're going to go ahead and create an outro. So once again, what I'm going to do is to come out to create design, and right here we could put in intro right here, and let's see, we have YouTube intro. We click onto that right there. And as you can see, the timer is set on to like 5 seconds. So I'm going to actually just stick with this 5 seconds YouTube intro. So I'm just going to go ahead and select template, probably do the same thing with education, and see if we can actually get education as intro. Education, let's see, do we have any intro on education? Probably we do have. I'm trying to look for a much more shorter intro. This is like 12 seconds, this is like 14 seconds. So let's try with this 12 seconds. Let's just go with it, so you could see everything, and we could do apply all three. So we apply this. Basically we have this intro, and first of all guys, let's just preview and see exactly how this works. Alright guys, so basically I'm just going to edit this. First thing first, I do not need scene 2. I'm just going to go ahead and delete scene 2, sorry, and then I'm going to be using just scene 1. Basically I'm going to be using just scene 1 for this. Click this, and this is it. So basically I could decide to edit this. So first of all, for this I could just put in AM Academy, the future of online education. I'm just going to take this. Now guys, I want you to know that I'm doing this on the go, so you basically want to make sure you do this much more better than what I'm doing right here. So right here, please, I could decide to edit this and put in learn online digital skills, sorry, like blogging. So probably I'm just going to leave that, blogging, affiliate marketing, content creation, and I could do and social media. Probably just stop at this right here, and then we're done. This is more like what we could delete. Let's see if we have any other thing. Right here we'll delete this. And also guys, what I could easily do is even take my logo that I actually created right here and add it to my page right here, and most likely I'm just going to edit image and remove background. Guys, you can see a lot of work I'm doing right here. I'm just trying to make this as easy for you so that you can easily be able to understand how to do this all by yourself, for those of you that probably do not know how to create an intro. So we have this AM logo right here. Now it's not really cleared because I'm going to change the background, basically the entire background. Can we change the entire background, please? Right here, let's see if we can change that. All right, so I'm going to edit this. Probably let's see if we could put something like this. Now you see our background is going to show much more with white. Yes, it's going to show much more. So I'm going to fix in the logo right here, AM Academy. Right here you can see what we did, and then I could easily just click on to share and download this into our computer as our intro. So now guys, we have this done. So I'm just going to go on to the home page one more time and see if we can create an outro right here. So we'll click on to create design one more time right here, and then what we can simply do is simply click on to outro, and let's see if we can create an outro. So basically right here we do not have any outro. Probably I think we can easily go ahead with the intro format. Let's see if we can use the intro to create an outro. So I'm just going to go on for YouTube intro once again and try to see if we could actually edit one of the documents to create an outro. So let's just look through again, education right here, and then let's see our template. I think we used this particular one right there the first time, so let's see what it is. So we'll go through it and see if it has an outro. Probably it doesn't really have, but I'm going to use this last part as an outro, so I'm just going to add just this. So I'm just going to use this as our outro. Basically what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to take out this video, go on to video, and probably use somebody like learning. I could just type in learning right here. Okay, I could decide to put this right here in this place. I'm going to stay shorten this video down to like 5, yes, and then I'm going to remove this and add our logo. So let's go on to upload right here, take our logo right here. I'm going to leave it this, and then I'm going to edit image, remove background. So once you remove background right here, I could decide to take this and do something like thanks for watching. So right here you could see what we've been able to do. Remove the highlight, thanks for watching. This could be a simple outro for us, and I'm just going to actually just download this into our computer and use this more like our outro right now. So you could see right here what we've been able to do successfully we've created logo and intro and outro using Canva. So next off, we are going to add these informations we've created, the intro and outro, to our Pictory videos and see how it looks like. Hey guys, in this particular module I'm going to share with you how you can add logos, intro and outro to your already made video on the Pictory platform. So if you want to brand your videos, you want to add your logo, intro, outro to videos that you edit or created with Pictory, then this is going to be a video that you must watch. So basically we are on this particular dashboard right now, so I'm just going to go through my project right here and use one of our projects that we created in this particular course and use that to add our logo, our intros and our outros. So I'm going to be using this particular video, so I'm just going to tap on it right here, and basically right here you could see we could decide to edit this once again. So right here we are onto the dashboard of Pictory now, and what we can simply do is just go on to branding right here. And as you can see right here under branding, the first thing that, like I said in our previous module, you want to turn on the intro. So first thing first, we are going to be adding our intro right here. So basically you want to turn on the intro, so you click onto this button and you are able to turn on the intro. Once you do that, intro visual, you can be able to add your visual, you can be able to add a logo right here. So I'm going to be doing just that. So first thing first, I'm going to just simply click on to upload right here and find in our intro. So our intro is going to be this, right? I think so. And then we have our intro added right here, and then right here we could decide to add a logo right here. As you can see, it's going to be added sooner or later, but basically right here we could decide to add the logo right here. So I'm just going to go through with that, the logo, click onto it, and then it's been added right here. Let's just confirm if this was added. Again, I'm just going to, I think it was added, so I'm just going to cancel it. So it was added. So for this particular text, so we screw down right here. For this particular text, we are just going to remove this. We do not need an intro text. So something I need to share with you, the logo side, you can reduce the logo size right here, and also the opacity. So I'm just going to leave that as it is. So we have everything done. The text is blank, so obviously it's not going to show at all. So we've been able to add this right here. Now you could go on to scene right here, and let's say for all of the scene we want to add a logo to it. We could simply just go right here, upload, and we could upload the logo we created right here to this. And as you can see, it's been uploaded, and once it's done, you could see right here what I'm going to do. For most often, you want to make sure you reduce the size right here. And another thing, you can also change your logo position. You can centralize it if you think that is the best position for your logo, but I think you can also put it at the edge corner of the video, just right here. But I think making it just on top right here suits it better, so I'm going to leave that. Now going on to the outro right here, the first thing, you want to enable the outro right here, and then once you do that, you want to upload your clip for the outro. So we'll go from our computer, thanks for watching, right here, and we click onto that, and so we have it uploaded. It's still loading, it's going to load quickly. While that is doing, let's just upload our logo again, logo right here, and then basically I'm going to just still also reduce the logo size right here. So probably we do not need it. I think our banner has, our outro has the logo right there, so I could easily just go ahead and cancel off the outro logo, and we have this logo right there. So basically let's just run through it. Thanks for watching. Okay, we could decide to remove that or leave that as it is. But what do you want to do right here is I want to go on to the intro, right here, the intro scene right here, and I want to actually just preview it so we see exactly how it looks. One more time. So you could see our intro looks like, and let's just go back to the outro and let me preview that for you also. So you see, I'm going to just go ahead and preview. And then you can see exactly how it looks like. So because we have thanks for watching here, you could decide to remove this outro text right here, and then we could decide to preview again. So you see exactly how our outro looks like. So basically that is how you can brand your video. You add the logo, you add your video. So you could see that in every scene also, guys, you could see in every scene that it has our logo, because we added our logo to the scene section. So right here you see all of it has our logo on it. Once you're done with all of these, guys, you could easily go ahead and generate your video right here, download your video. But basically that is how you can add intro, logos and outro to your videos. And this works not just for script to video, it works for all of the different video, from script to video, article to video, editing video with text, even visuals to videos. This particular strategy or step will actually work for everyone or all types of videos that you can create using PICTORY. Hey guys, welcome back to AM Academy. In this particular video module, which is going to be our conclusion, guys, I'm going to share with you some basic shortcuts on PICTORY video editor. Now I'm going to run you through some of the basic shortcuts that you must have missed out at the course of watching this course down to this very point. So basically, guys, before we jump into that, there are valuable links in the description, links of all of the websites that we have used at the course of this particular PICTORY video editing and creation course. You are going to get valuable links to some of the informations and materials used, so make sure you check out the description of each and every one of the video we've covered, and you should be able to see some valuable links that you can use. But that being said, let me just jump into some of the basic shortcuts in PICTORY video editor and video creator tools. So right here, the first thing I want to share with you right here is my project right here. So if you actually have done lots of projects on PICTORY and there is a particular project you want to go back to, you can just simply click onto my project right here, and you should be able to see your previous project right here. Now another good thing about this particular folder is that, guys, you can create project, you can create a folder that is shareable, and also you can import projects. So you can import projects from your friend's PICTORY account to yours, or from your other account to yours. So that is something you need to take note into consideration. So that being said, you can click onto your previous project and you can go back to re-edit that. So you can see right here we have it in the text format, in different format. I just need to click onto project file, and what it's going to do is going to take me back to this particular dashboard. So quickly, let me run you through some of the shortcuts right here. The first shortcut I want to share with you right here, probably I'm just going to make this bigger, is right here. You could see you can undo and you can redo right here. So let's say we have, like, let's say we have probably a text or something. We can undo and we can redo. If we made a mistake, we can always undo and redo. We have the delete. We can preview each slide. So let me just use a slide, a scene right here. We can preview and we can trim video. So probably this video is too long. We can click on to trim right here and reduce this particular video to this particular format, and then that's it. Super easy. We can do that. We can add voiceover to each scene one after the other. So let's say we want to record this voiceover right now. We could easily just click on to record voiceover. We can upload, we can adjust voiceover, we can remove voiceover to this particular scene. Also, we have the settings tab right here, as you can see, where we can loop video, you can hide text, you can visual zoom and span. You could see some of the audio. You could add your background. You could turn this off to remove the background music for this particular scene. So all of these shortcuts right here below are for this scene and most likely not applicable to scene 2. You just need to go through each and all of this shortcut one after the other. Another thing I want to share with you is the text. So we can click onto this text right here, and as you can see, there are lots of things we can do. We can change fonts, like I shared with you already. You can change font of your subtitle. There are lots of fonts that you can pick from. If you do not like, probably I want to change the font to this, you could just tap onto it and then the font is changed. You could also change the size, but I want to increase it to 36. You could do that. You could bold right here, you could slant right here, you could underline if you wish, and you could also cross if you want. So basically all of these are features that we can apply. These are shortcuts I want to share with you. Also, these are for, you can capitalize, you can make sure all of them are in small letters. You can do that in a very good format and any format of your choice. Also right here, you can actually take it to the side, you could actually take it to the other side, and you could also centralize. And also right here, you can add different colors. Right here, you can share, you can adjust the text width. Right here, you can change the subtitle position if you want it top, if you want it side. Right here, it all depends on what you want, or if you want it down, or probably even want it at the center. You can do exactly anything you want. So right here, you can also put in animation and also the speed. So the entry, we can select animation. Probably we want a fade in right here. We could select that, and it's going to just prepare the preview for us and show us exactly what we've done so far. So this is where you can add your animation. I'm not going to run you through on that. Basically, as you can see, and then you can save as a style for this particular template, or basically click on to apply to all, and all of the changes right here is going to be applied to other scenes. As you can see, we're on scene 1. If we go on to scene 4, you could see all of these changes are applied. So these are some of the shortcuts I want to share with you right here. So let's just move on to the other ones right here. So quickly, you already know about what to do with stories and visuals. Well, let's go on to visuals. Now, some other thing I want to share with you right here is you can search for a visual. So if you probably let's use scene 2 as an example. So probably we do not like this visual, you can also search for what you want. Also, you can see we have the all types right here, where you could select, probably you need an image or a video, you could select what you want, and also you could select your category right here. Those are some of the things you could also do right there. So let's just move on through as I walk you through some of the shortcuts. Remember, you can add stickers, you can add gifs, you can add emojis. Best part of it, you can always search for them. So if you want a particular emoji, you can search for it. If you want a particular GIFs, you can search for it. Probably want something like steps or step by step. Let's see if it has any GIF. All right, you could see some of them it does have. And basically we'll go on to the audio section. You could add your background music, and quickly guys, under the upload, take a look at this. You can upload your own background music. You could also upload voiceover. I want to just share that with you. And also you have the audio setting that allows you to be able to adjust your background music. Probably it's too loud, you want to make sure you adjust it to a reasonable amount of percentage. I just want to share with you all of these shortcuts. Let's see right here. You can also upload voiceover, upload background music right there. So moving on, let's see style. I've talked about this. Probably you do not like this style, you can come right here and change the style. We've talked about branding, and also for format, like I said, you can increase your video resolution to 1080p. Not just that guys, you can also change your aspect ratio. Probably we have this video in the 16:9 landscape format, but then we want it to be in this 9:16 portrait. We could easily type onto portrait right here, and then we have our video in portrait format, and then we could do all of the necessary editing. So that being said, you could also see where you have tips right here. You could also do that. And basically we have the help right here, we have the notification, we have your account, your subscription if you want to become an affiliate. Also you can preview right here, you can go right here, see the video duration and see the scene duration right here. So all of these are mostly everything about PICTORY and everything you need to know about using this particular tool. So I really hope this course has been much more effective in helping you understand how to use PICTORY to create video seamlessly, easy and fast. Make sure you actually rate this course very high if you are able to get enough value from this. Remember, this is AM Academy.